A lot of sellers right now are asking me the same question. Why do some homes sell immediately while others just sit on the market for weeks or even months? And honestly, after doing this for years in Natomas and throughout the Sacramento area, it's usually not just one thing. A lot of times sellers assume, if my neighbor sold for this price, mine should too. But buyers today are extremely sensitive to value, condition, and presentation, and even small details. Sometimes it's pricing, sometimes it's deferred maintenance, sometimes it's poor presentation or bad photos. And sometimes the home actually isn't the problem at all. It's just that buyers don't feel urgency or emotional connection when they walk through the property. I'm actually seeing this come up a lot in the Sacramento market. Homes that are priced correctly, staged well, and positioned properly are still moving. But homes that are even slightly overpriced or not prepared properly before listing are starting to sit much longer. And once a home sits too long, buyers are wondering, what's wrong with it? And that's where strategy really matters. Things like pricing correctly from day one, preparing the home properly, handling inspections proactively, and understanding buyer psychology can make a massive difference in the final outcome. If you're thinking about selling in Natomas or anywhere in the greater Sacramento area and want a realistic strategy for today's market, feel free to reach out.